Hey guys, this is Nicholas. So I just bought a whole bunch of stuff from Temu for a total of less than $22. This is literally less than my DoorDash lunch today. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video now to show you what I just bought, and you can tell me whether it's a bargain or I just bought a whole bunch of junks. Originally, I thought Temu was a scam because the price of everything is so low. But after I bought and received a men's leather bag for less than $1, I'm totally hooked. This package has 5 items. The first one is a leather wallet case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is about $6. The second one is a sleep eye mask with wireless headphone and mic. This one is about $5 and it comes in black or gray. Because I travel a lot, so hopefully this mask can help me fall asleep much faster in hotels or airplanes. The third item I bought is a passport holder. This one is about $4. It comes in like 10 different colors. It also has different designs. The reason I picked this one is because it has 1 slot for cash, 4 slots for cards, and 2 slots for SIM cards. The fourth item in this package is a military hat. Ever since the pandemic started, I cut my own hair. So my hairstyle is simply something that I'm not proud of. Whenever and wherever I go out, I have to wear a hat. This one comes in 5 different colors, and the price depends on which color you pick. It's about $2 to $4, and this black color one that I just bought is about $3. To me, it's a complete bargain to cover up my terrible haircut. The last item in this package is a chest bag. Because I travel a lot in developing countries like Mexico, Colombia, Vietnam, etc. Pickpocket is very common in those countries, and I have a typical tourist look on my face, so I'm a prime target for pickpockets. For that reason alone, I need a bag that I can wear at the front and also has a combination lock. So this one is perfect for me. The quality is not as high as it looks on the stock photos, but for the price I paid, I cannot complain. I only paid about $11 for this bag, but of course, compared to the $1 leather shoulder bag that I bought from Temu, this price is outrageous. But that one was a special discount, so it comes and goes. Oh, I completely forgot to unwrap the iPhone wallet case. Anyways, all these items together is less than $20, and that includes shipping all the way from China to the United States. To me, it's a bargain. What do you think? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.